loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial because I've gotten so many requests on a hairstyle that I've been wearing on Instagram and on my videos. So I figured today's the day because I also have a hair appointment at 11 and right now it's 6 in the morning, and I figured I may or may not get bangs, so I wanted to do this hair tutorial now before I get that, or maybe not. It's now or never, just get it done. And I wanted to share with you the fun and easy way I can do my hair. It looks really well put together. I spend like 3 minutes doing it. And by the way guys, this is my natural hair. This is how it looks like when it air dries. I have so much hair, it looks very wavy. So this is the way I had it when I did my try on haul from Zara, and I didn't curl it. But there's other times that I like to straighten my hair and then I like to curl the ends and make it like look more defined. But either way is nice. I like both ways. This is just my easy way where I just wake up and get going and just get my hair done. It looks super cute on pictures, looks good on camera, and people love it. Fun and easy hairstyle, and I think it's on trend right now because I've been seeing it all over Instagram, and I was like, wait, that's the hairstyle I've been doing, so I guess I started a trend kind of. I wanted to tell myself that that was me, but I don't know, maybe I saw it somewhere and I wanted to recreate it or whatever. And so enough about that, let's go ahead and actually get started with the tutorial.
I just want us to always be, to always be.